How to send email using Brevo. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to utilize Brevo to send you emails or to send different contacts using email. So simply select campaigns over here on the left side, which would allow you to send different types of emails, engaging emails, straight through your contacts inboxes. So simply click on create campaign over here on the top right and enter the information that will be required for you, like the name. And there will be a lot of steps over here. You will be able to design a lot of great emails. And as you can see here, you have the sender, recipient, subject, and design. And you can easily do all of those things and be able to create an email for you to send to your clients or your contacts. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.